Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to try and replace the shift bushings in my old shift cable out of my Hummer. So this is the old one. I put a new one in just because I wasn't sure if I would be able to get these bushings out without hurting the cable. So these are the bushings. If I can get the focus. For an 03 Hummer or the GM stuff. I don't know if it all fits the Silverados too. Doesn't really say, but we're going to try and switch these out. Okay, here we go. Get a pick. Now, I haven't done this before, so I really don't know either. This is mainly the side that's bad, so in worst case I put the pick through my fingers. Wouldn't be the first time. I don't think there's a special way, so now I don't know why they put this nylon piece in here, because I mean, metal to nylon, I mean the metal's gonna win every time here, but whatever. I was gonna try and do this on the vehicle to save myself having to switch the cable out. Okay. For better or for worse. This was $11. Shift cable was $55. So this one looks like it goes to this side. I don't know if I'm going to replace that or not. I mean, it doesn't look like it's broke or wore out. I mean, the holes look pretty identical to me. I mean, it might be a slight difference, but this one only gets tired because it's in the rusty crap. And then that little Humpty Doo in the middle in there, that wears out and it falls off. Without breaking it. Maybe. Come on, little guy. Try some grease. Hold on. put some lube on it and try it again. Yeah, it wants to. Okay. Progress. I know most will probably wonder, is it even worth going through all this? Well, if my shift cable breaks again and I'm in a pinch and I don't have time to order it, I can just shove this one right back in there and it's already ready to go. As I mentioned, $11 is a heck of a lot cheaper than $50. Okay. Alright, well, it's in. Like I said, I'm not doing this side. I don't think I need to. It looks fine. So we're going to let it roll. So I'll just put this in the Hummer box for a future problem. So that's replacing your shift cable bushings in the 03 Hummer H2. I'm sure you can do this in your Silverados too. I don't see why not. It might be a different part number, but it's more a viable option, assuming that your cable's not broke. Like, you know, this stuff isn't broke, the ears aren't broke, you know, stuff like that. I mean, if you got any issues with any of that stuff, then you got to replace the whole thing. But in my case, my cable's fine, just my bushing took a dump. So that would be all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.